Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create engaging worksheets using Canva. Let's dive in. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating all sorts of classroom materials, and worksheets are no exception. With Canva, you can design worksheets that are not only educational but also visually appealing. First, let's take a look at Canva's worksheet templates. These templates make it easy to get started quickly. Search for Worksheet Templates in Canva's template library. You'll find a variety of designs to choose from. Pick one that fits the subject you're teaching. Customizing the template. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. This is where you can make the worksheet your own. Change the text to include your specific questions and instructions. You can also adjust the colors to match your classroom theme or school colors. Adding images and icons. Next, let's add some images and icons. These visual elements can make your worksheet more engaging and easier for students to understand. Canva has a huge library of images and icons. Simply drag and drop them into your design. You can also upload your own images if you have specific visuals you want to use. Don't forget to play around with fonts and text effects. Different fonts can highlight important information and make your worksheet more visually appealing. Changing fonts and adding text effects. Choose fonts that are easy to read and match the style of your worksheet. You can also add text effects like shadows and outlines to make your text stand out. Adjusting alignment and spacing. Finally, let's make sure everything is aligned and spaced properly. A well-organized worksheet is key to effective learning. Use Canva's alignment tools to ensure everything is perfectly spaced and aligned. This makes your worksheet look professional and easy to follow. And that's it. Your worksheet is ready to be printed or shared digitally with your students. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.